Alright, I woke up earlier than usual today. Mom's always working, she leaves very early. So, I will surprise her now. I have great news I want to share with her. She never has time. I understand. She has to work every day. So, we can have a better life, but, I miss her. Anyway, I heard her waking up an hour ago. So, I'm sure she's coming downstairs soon.
Yeah, I'm listening to you. No, it won't be necessary. Sure, no, I have to check it first.
Morning, Mom. Look, I woke up earlier than you. Do you want to know why?
Honey, not now, please. Mom is on the phone. Yeah, sure, let me check it in.
But Mom, this is something important. I never wake up early and today I did.
Yeah, wait a second. Jasmine, your mom is busy now. We'll talk about that later, okay? As I was telling you, we need to check the products first, it's really important.
I had something really important to tell you, but as always, you don't have time for me. But I guess I have to understand she has to work hard to buy food, pay the school, and I just want her to pay attention to me. At least for a while. We never talk. Oh, I have an idea. I will go for my table to show her the good news. She's going to love it.
Yesterday, I arrived earlier and it wasn't ready yet. So, I guess it's going to be different today and…
Mom, I don't want to bother you. I know you're busy, but look at here. I got a perfect score. In fact, I got the highest score in the school. I'm so happy. It's the first time I get this score in exam. It wasn't easy. I had to study a lot. But finally, I got it. Do you remember you told me that if I got the highest grade, we could go for buy something at supermarket to that something I like? Well, I'm ready to go. I know you have to work. But don't worry, I will wait for you to arrive from work. If you leave earlier, it would be awesome. But if you can't, don't worry, I will wait for you anyway, Mom. What do you think? Mom, look, I got the highest score at the school and you promised we could.
Honey, please, I'm on the phone, can you please be quiet? I can't hear.
But Mom, you promised that when I got it we could go for buy something and now I didn't.
Do you really have to be that annoying? Oh, my God, what was I telling you?
Mom, I just want to show you. Okay, it didn't work. What can I do, then? There must be something I can do to catch her attention. She promised she's busy, but, I know. Maybe she's stressed because she has a lot of things to do here. If I do the chores, she is not going to be that busy. That's a great idea. I will start now.
I'm sorry. No, that was my son. Something he behaves like a child.
Mom, I'm sorry. Interrupted you before. I just wanted you to see something. But, I know you're tired and busy with the chores and your work, so I decided to help you. Mom, I already washed the dishes and now I'm mopping the floor. It will look great. You don't have to do all the chores, Mom. I'm here to help you. That way you will have more time and maybe we could go for ice cream, right, Mom?
Chris, I don't know what you're trying to do. I have to work and you know that perfectly.
But Mom, look, I'm helping you now. You will have more time to go to the ice cream parlor and buy something at supermarket.
Chris, I don't have time for this now. I have to coordinate some things before leaving.
But I thought that if I helped you, you would have more time and, whatever. I know, she's a little stressed and busy. That's why she's in a bad mood now. Maybe if I give her something nice to make her smile, she will be happy again, right? Yeah, that's a very good idea. But what could it be? I have to think. Oh, she loves the flower. I'm sure that if I give her some flowers, she will be very happy again. But I don't have money for that. Flowers are really expensive and I don't have much money. Oh, I know. My piggy bank. I have been saving money there for months. I'm sure that would be enough to buy at least a bouquet of flowers, all to right now. Alright, all I have to do is wait for her here. She will be really surprised. I can't wait to see her face. She will love it. I know these are her favorite flowers. But why doesn't she come? Well, I will wait a little more. I'd better go to her room. She must be there. I'll surprise her.
Oh, these people. I told them to organize the document in alphabetical order, but of course, they didn't do it. Now, it will take me longer to find the contract I need to check, and it's already late. I need to get to the office in 5 minutes. Damn.
Mom, I know you're a little stressed and busy today. I understand that now. That's why I brought you these flowers to make you feel better, Mom. I spent all my saving on it, but it doesn't matter because all I want is to see you happy. Mom, look. They are camellias and red roses. I know you love them because my dad used to give you these when he was alive. I remember you used to be very happy. I know he's not with us now and you have to work harder to pay for everything here at home. That's why I'm studying hard, Mom. I got the highest score at school. I do the chores. And I know I'm a child, but I can work helping my Uncle Peter at his store. He needs some help. That way, I can help you with the bills. Everything is going to be better, Mom. And that's why I brought you these beautiful flowers, Mom. They smell really good. But Mom, these flowers are not as beautiful as you are. You are the best mom in the world. Mom, look at me. I have your favorite flowers here. I'm sure you.
Oh, can you shut your mouth? I'm trying to work here and all you do is to interrupt me. Stop acting like a child. You need to grow up. We have important things to do now.
All right, Mom. I'm really sorry. I didn't want to bother you. I'm really sorry. I get it now. I wasn't helping Mom. I was being a burden to her. That's why I decided to leave. Maybe that way she could be happy again. I hope so. I love you, Mom.
Chris, wait. Where are you going? Chris, wait.
Mom, don't worry. I won't bother you anymore. I'm leaving now. I'm really sorry.
What? No. What are you talking about? Chris, you don't bother me, honey. I'm really sorry, baby. I am too stressed, but that was not the right way to talk to you. Can you please forgive me? And of course, I'm proud of you. You were a great son.
Mom, I know you're not having a good time, but I'm here to help you. Dad is gone. But we have each other. I'm sure we can get over it. I love you so much, Mom.
Thank you, Chris. You're the best son one mother can ever ask. I love you, baby.